Looking for a Hostgator coupon code that will save you money on your Hostgator hosting purchase? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll provide you with our exclusive Hostgator coupon code that will save you even more money than the Hostgator discount you see being listed here, regardless of the Hostgator plan you choose. Plus, you'll get a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount on non-annual plans. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you know how to take advantage of our exclusive Hostgator coupon code offer, saving you money. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the exclusive Hostgator discount. The first thing you want to do is start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostgator discount. Make sure you copy the Hostgator promo code I've included next to the link, where we'll be entering later in the video, saving you more money on your Hostgator purchase. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. I'm here on the main Hostgator hosting page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the most popular Hostgator plans page, the Hostgator shared hosting plans. You'll see the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll save even more money than you see being listed here with our exclusive Hostgator coupon code, which is coming up soon in the video. Click a plan you want to go with. I'll choose the Hatchling plan. No matter what plan you selected, you'll be on this page. If you click here under the billing cycle section, it'll pull up the Hostgator terms and pricing. Now let me show you how to save even more money than you see being listed here. Scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section. Replace the promo code that is there with our exclusive Hostgator promo code provided with the link in the description. Scroll back up to the top. Click under the Billing Cycle section. You'll see the new discounted Hostgator pricing for the Hostgator terms offered. You'll see for the Hatchling plan, you'll get hosting for as low as $271 a month instead of the $375. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.